If your screen is not responding to your touch, tap, swiping not working, the screen is frozen, unresponsive, then on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Touch, this is how you can fix this problem. Now first, you need to force restart your device. For that, press and hold the volume down and power button together. Keep pressing it, even if the screen goes black. Release the buttons when you see Samsung logo again. Please remember, although the force restart solves this problem a lot of times, you might need to force restart your device 3 to 4 times in a row. Even after that, your phone is not responding to your touch or frozen, now you need to get your phone into recovery mode. Now for that, first force shut down your device by pressing this volume down and power button together until the screen goes black. Then immediately connect your phone with any power source like PC, laptop, or phone except any charger. Then press and hold this volume up and power button together till you see Samsung logo. Release the button immediately and in a few moments you will enter into recovery mode. Now use the volume down button to go 4 steps down. To wipe cache partition, use this power button to confirm it, go down again, and then confirm yes. After you're redirected in here again, just go ahead, reboot or restart your device normally. If there is no hardware issue, your screen frozen or not responding to your touch problem will be solved after this process. Let us know in the comment section if that solved your problem or not. Thank you for watching.